been a while since we've cooked like this. Just woke up. Zeke thinks we're already heading out. We're gonna head to Planet Fitness here soon, making some coffee. Already let the beast out. We stayed in a park and ride in Portsmouth, New Hampshire. Looks like there's one other camper here that I could see. This parking lot was extremely full. There wasn't a single spot. And we pulled in and I went through a second row and then someone was leaving, so I was able to back in here. We stayed here for the night, cooked dinner. Had chicken fettuccine alfredo last night. And now we're gonna head to the gym after this coffee is done. And then figure out what we're gonna get into for the day. It's supposed to rain for 3 days or 4 days? 2 in a row, 2 more. I think it's my weather thing is always different than Rachel's. Mine says like the next 4 days, but that's dependent on where we stay, where we go. We're making our way over to Maine. Gonna do our Acadia and see where that takes us. But yeah, good night's sleep here last night, no knock. Slept like a bear. I was gonna say probably 3:30 in the morning. I was having a dream that I was down in some like sewerways with the Ninja Turtles, and I thought the dream was really very vivid. I was like, wow, this is an experience, man. This is more than a dream. No, it wasn't a wet dream. Kind of, I guess, but so then I woke up and I was still getting water dripping on my face, and I'm like, okay, nope, I see we're in the van. I'm not in the sewer anymore. So I look up and there was some water pouring out of the top roof part, one of the seals for like the third brake light. Yeah, the seals. I'd show Rachel, but she's not wearing her Sunday's best yet. She just woke up. We'll show you Zeke so you don't have to look at my stupid mug the whole time. So anyways, the third brake light, it had some die core, which is like a sealant around it, and that one of the seals must have cracked just from the van flexing and stuff. So we had some water dripping through there. It was torrential rain, and of course then that goes onto my face in the middle of the night. Since we were staying in a parking lot, it wasn't probably a wise idea at 3:30 in the morning to go out there and start messing around on the roof and back of the van, because some people might think I was an undesirable looking to get some free bikes. So I scratched that idea, put a towel down, and I'll get to that later today after we shower.
Morning.
Morning. One fellow camper, huh? We are heading to do our fun chores. Dump our PB, get rid of that, and then go to Planet Fitness, shower. This parking lot was full, huh? As soon as we pulled out, someone pulled in, and then the whole street is full too. I don't know what the scoop is here.
It says 72-hour parking, so maybe it's people who park and ride and go into New York or something, but I mean, we're still pretty far away.
Yeah, I doubt that. I'm thinking maybe just the city itself.
Like maybe they just work downtown and that's the parking lot they park in to go to
or
their job.
businesses or part of this high school here. I don't know, but that's a lot of cars. So one
There's
rig
a
over
camper.
here. That was there last night. The van that was in that parking lot.
What's that plate?
Nevada.
What did you say about the what?
How do I get over there?
Watch out, it's a cop.
I know.
Head-on collision. I think we were supposed to turn left
right
out of the parking lot. We turned right.
So one way.
Oh my god.
Is it?
I couldn't tell ya, Nate.
Why would there be a stop sign if it's a one-way, right?
Okay, true.
Right. It's tight. It's tight. It's tight. I'm not gonna lie. It's tight. Take a left here, you think? Or
I'm doing recording. I can't do GPS
but they're
too.
doing lawn maintenance. But there's a sprinter here too.
Well, maybe this is the parking lot we were supposed to stay in.
I think this is the spot we were supposed to stay, but that's okay. Are they part of the city or are they like their own? Yeah. Shit.
I don't think anyone's gonna say anything to you. They hate their lives because they're working in the rain.
She's almost done there, right?
She?
Yeah.
It's a woman?
I think so.
Don't know how much you can see with the rain on the windows, but there's Nate bringing our pee jug into the bathrooms, and here's me and my trusty sidekick watching. Hello! Hello! Hello, good morning, handsome. It's a dreary morning, but you wouldn't expect anything else for New Hampshire. We stayed in Portsmouth last night, so we are right across the bay from Maine. Nate doesn't know it yet, but I want to stop at a spot called Barnacle Billy's. Ooh, she looked at you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Planet Fitness in the morning.
A warm, unlimited shower.
Do you want to work out?
Ooh. That's not a bad idea.
But can you on an empty stomach with just coffee?
As long as it's gonna be raining. Such a beautiful sight.
And we love when they're next to Harbor Freights too.
Yeah. Except for Daddy doesn't need anything today.
Yeah, we do.
What?
To fix the hole in the roof.
Oh. Yeah, but
You forgot about that already?
I don't know if I'm gonna get that there.
From our rainy night. I don't know where the towel is. Probably.
I gotta get my stuff together
drenched.
because you gotta hurry. Yeah. Up, go to the bed.
And now we pack. Oh, well, I'll do window covers.
Window covers.
Where are we?
Portland, Maine. On a walk by where we stopped last night. Yeah, taking a little stroll by where we slept last night. Got a good night's sleep. It's pretty humid today, but beats the rain from the last 2 days. Do you want a piece of that artwork to
Day
take
and a
home?
half. No, I'm good.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, and then we're gonna make our way to Acadia later today.
We have reservations for tomorrow.
Yeah, that'll be interesting to see if it'll be interesting to see if we can actually get up there, because it says a 21-foot vehicle restriction, and I think with the bikes we're probably pushing like 23.
Sure.
So
fingers crossed.
We might get up early and get up there, and if we get the park ranger that says absolutely not, that's going to be a bummer. But time will tell.
There are other parts of the park we could always go to.
Yeah.
Like other entrances.
Right.
So we'll see.
Yeah, for sure.
To be continued. To be determined.
To be determined and to be continued.
Good night. Tell us about your walk. How's it going? Are you having fun? Fun? Have you seen puppies? Puppies? None of your trigger words are working?
He's like, lady, I don't care. I really don't.
He's like, sorry, I haven't woke up yet. Too sleepy.
Too bad I didn't have my ID. We could probably just have stopped at one of the breweries.
Oh yeah. Okay, well, catch you later.
What do you think?
I don't know.
You don't know? It's been a while since we've cooked like this. With the water view? Kind of reminds me of the coast in Oregon. Which is ironic since we're in Portland, Maine.
About as far from Oregon as you could be. but with the same name.
Yeah, it's true. People walking by probably hate this because it smells like just nice bacon. We just went for a 5-mile walk. Zeke is just tuckered out.
Would you like some green sauce on your eggs and hash?
Please.
I would still take my water too.
That looks amazing, does it not?
It does. Looks very yummy.
Someone's like, please, 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 please. Nice view too, especially after that sun burned off that fog. It's beautiful. Stay for a breakfast and bloody right from the comfort of your home on the water. Went into Whole Foods and got our reverse osmosis drinking water. That'll last us forever. We haven't paid for water once yet, so this is the first time. It was $3, so not bad. That'll last us forever, and we'll be in the national park here in the next like 2 days. So yeah, that's that. Right, buddy.
And we're going under the highway to see this waterfall. A little different. This is called the Glen Ellis Falls. It's $5. And then there's another one up the road we're gonna go to called Crystal Cascade Crystal, something like that. And I think the $5 we paid here will get us in for that one too. So Zeke's getting his daily dose of running water. He loves that. Hates the bathtub, loves outdoor water. Beautiful. New Hampshire.
Put my foot on it. Almost kicked it right off into there.
And you would have probably gone with it.
You want to go jump in?
Wow.
Okay, Rachel's gonna read this sign since someone decided to graffiti and scratch it all up.
Glen Ellis Falls is 64 feet tall. Here the forces of nature provide their own spectacular show. The fall of water attests to the tremendous powers of moving water. From the snow-covered or rain-drenched peaks, this river is born to feed others. In the few seconds this message has held your interest, a minimum of 600 gallons of water has passed this point. At this rate, the daily needs of a city of 25,000 people could be satisfied.
Crazy. Crazy, crazy.
Where are we?
On the Appalachian Trail, I think. A segment of it.
Pretty cool.
Not actually doing the real thing.
I don't know if anyone can hear you.
I said not actually doing the real thing. Big bridge.
Straight up to Crystal Cascade Waterfall. Our second New Hampshire adventure in the White Mountain National Forest. But it's like by Mount Washington, so holy moly.